Hello everyone, this is Abhini and I'm presenting our group 2, The Travelers. This is our narrative prototype, We Wander. So why we wander? We all know that in our today's busy life, it is difficult to find time to plan vacations. There are many applications out there in the market who will come up with a lot of options to select from for the places to visit and things to do. With a lot of data being saved, we all believe that there is time to put this data to use, especially the personal preferences when it comes to planning vacations. This will help to save a lot of time. So, what is We Wonder? We Wonder, it allows users to explore things to do in a new city or country, but along with it, it also helps the user with a pre created itinerary. So personalized preferences are used by many applications, but our application is not just going to save that data, but also going to use it while creating a predefined itinerary. So this app will be used by solo, group, or family travelers, and it can also be used for reading the personal experiences and sharing personal experiences for the fellow travelers. So this is our key persona. Jane Winters is a mom manager. She plans for a vacation along with her family, so her husband and her two kids will be a part of the vacation. Being a working woman, she does not have a lot of time, and hence she'll be using her app We Wander. So, what is the scenario here? Jane is looking to create an itinerary for her Florida vacation, and she wants to plan it for a family. Hence, she needs some family friendly activities. And of course, she wants to plan it in less amount of time. So that brings us to our design. The first screen is nothing but the home page where Jane, once she logs into the application, she will land into. So the application will greet her and ask her what's on her mind. She can look into her recent searches or search for something new. For this flow, we are considering that Jane would like to search for Florida. So maybe she types in Miami, that will take her to the second screen where the app will help her explore specific places in Miami, beaches, as well as sightseeing. But since Jane is very busy and she does not have a lot of time to spend in looking at all the options, she will select View Suggested Itinerary. Once she selects the View Suggested Itinerary, she will land on this page where she has to confirm a few details. She will be asked to input data like the date and who all are going with her. So, like I said, personalization is very important for this particular user, and depending on those preferences, the itinerary will be suggested. So once she says, okay, let's suggest the itinerary, she will then land on the first screen here, which will show her a predefined itinerary. So for the 3 days, the app has created a 3-day detailed itinerary. If you look at the places to visit, they will be specific to the family and what they would like to do. In this way, Jane does not have to think much about what will she has to put in because it's all there. Here, she can also add her bookings like her hotel bookings, her flight bookings, or rental cars, and that will make the itinerary very specific to all those bookings. Again, saving her time. So, Jane, while she scrolls through the screen and she goes through her itinerary, she realizes that, oh, my husband does not like seafood. So maybe we should look for another restaurant. So she just looks at the restaurant which is already present in the itinerary. She clicks on it and she will then be redirected to the second screen over here where she looks at the information about the restaurant which is already chosen, the timing for the lunch and how long is it, and what kind of cuisine do they serve. So as she doesn't like seafood, so then she will scroll through the other recommended restaurants, and as they are at the tip of her finger, she just selects the one which she finds best, and then she goes back to the first screen. She can then scroll through her itinerary, and in the end, she can save it. Once she saves the itinerary, she will then land on her homepage. Anytime she revisits this app, she can go to the created itinerary and edit it accordingly. Thank you for watching.